In this footage, we observe a critical safety incident within a warehouse setting. Two workers attempt to maneuver a large, heavy partition wall manually rather than utilizing the forklift nearby. This leads to a dangerous loss of balance as the center of gravity shifts, causing the massive structure to tilt and collapse. Fortunately, the workers react quickly and clear the area just before impact, avoiding a serious workplace accident. This serves as a reminder that even routine tasks can become hazardous without following proper material handling protocols. To ensure safety, always utilize mechanical aids for oversized loads and never stand in the fall zone of an unsecured object. Adhering to OSHA standards and safety guidelines is essential to prevent these scenarios. Remember, a safe day is a productive day. Never take shortcuts. Stay alert and stay safe at all times. This video captures a sudden and dangerous home maintenance accident while a man uses a leaf blower to clear debris from a high patio. Climbing an aluminum extension ladder leaning against the roofline, the man loses his balance as the ladder suddenly slides out from under him. Due to poor stabilization at the base and the physical kickback from the power tool, he falls onto the hard stone patio, highlighting how quickly a routine chore can turn into a serious emergency. To stay safe, always use the buddy system to have someone foot the ladder, ensuring the base is on a level, non-slip surface. Avoid using high-torque equipment that creates vibration while on an unsecured ladder. Never underestimate ladder physics. Taking a minute for proper setup can prevent a long recovery. This footage captures a narrow escape in a warehouse, illustrating the high stakes of industrial safety. While storing a large pallet on an upper rack, the load became unbalanced and crashed several meters into the aisle. Two nearby workers reacted instantly, narrowly avoiding a serious incident. However, the impact caused rack damage and chaos on the floor. Key takeaways include maintaining strict safety buffer zones. Pedestrians must never stand within the danger zone of a forklift at height. Load integrity is vital. Operators must ensure items are centered and adhere to capacity charts. Furthermore, mandatory PP is no substitute for situational awareness. Using exclusion zones like safety cones during high-reach maneuvers is essential. Safety depends on vigilance and strict protocols, as a single distraction can lead to disaster. Stay alert and stay safe. Security footage from a construction site recently captured a concerning incident during the final stages of a project. The video shows a crew working on high-reach scaffolding where two workers were transferring materials when the unexpected occurred. Due to a momentary lapse in focus and lack of proper safety positioning, one worker lost their balance and fell approximately 10 feet to the concrete floor. The incident happened so quickly that bystanders were unable to intervene. This serves as a stark reminder that even a brief moment of complacency when working at heights can lead to severe consequences. It is a critical lesson in occupational safety. Always follow protocols, use fall protection like harnesses, and maintain situational awareness. Prioritizing safety and remaining vigilant is essential to protecting yourself and your team. Complacency is a risk no one can afford. The provided footage documents a high-risk incident involving the transport of industrial hydrogen gas cylinders, where a crane's failure to control a heavy steel rack resulted in a catastrophic free fall. This event highlights a critical breakdown in safety protocols, as the load slammed into the truck bed with enough force to create a dangerous shockwave and debris field for nearby workers. To prevent such life-threatening occurrences, OSHA standard protocols must be strictly enforced. This includes rigorous pre-lift inspections of all rigging equipment to ensure load ratings are met and establishing a red zone to keep personnel clear of the potential fall radius. Furthermore, pressurized loads must be double secured to prevent shifts in the center of gravity. Combined with mandatory P and certified precision operation to avoid dynamic loading, these measures form the backbone of a safety-first culture designed to protect every worker on site. The video captures a harrowing safety lapse during heavy equipment transport, illustrating how a single moment of complacency leads to disaster, as a forklift was being loaded onto a flat tow truck. The use of unstable surface planks combined with a complete lack of proper securement caused the machine to lose its balance and suddenly topple over the side. The incident unfolded in seconds, creating a chaotic scene of property damage and high injury risk. To prevent such accidents, operators must strictly adhere to safety procedures by using chains, chocks, and tie-downs while ensuring that loading ramps are weight-rated and slip-resistant. Maintaining a safe perimeter for non-essential personnel and requiring certified training for all operators are essential steps to avoid these devastating consequences. Safety is never an accident, it requires constant vigilance. This heart-stopping footage captures a chilling near miss when a worker unloading goods from a truck suddenly loses his footing and falls to the ground. The incident happened in the blink of an eye, and it was only thanks to his quick reflexes that the individual managed to avoid a serious injury. This serves as a crucial wake-up call regarding the importance of strictly following safety protocols, especially when working at heights. Even a momentary lapse in focus can lead to unexpected accidents. Let this be a valuable lesson for all of us to stay vigilant, prioritize personal safety, and look out for those around us. By staying alert and committed to best practices, we can foster a secure and professional work environment for everyone. Always remember that safety starts with you. This footage captures a critical workplace safety incident during a metal warehouse roof installation. Due to inadequate training and a failure to assess structural integrity, 2 workers stepped onto fragile roofing before the frame was secured. The unreinforced steel buckled under their weight, leading to a total structural collapse and a dangerous fall. This incident is a stark reminder that construction safety protocols are non-negotiable. To prevent such accidents, never stand on unfinished surfaces not rated for human weight. Always utilize certified ladders, scaffolding, or aerial lifts instead of climbing directly onto skeletal frames. Ensure all personnel use proper fall arrest systems and never apply loads until bracing is fully inspected. Don't let overconfidence or rushing a project compromise your well-being. Work smart, stay safe, and always follow standard safety rules. This video serves as a sobering reminder of the vital importance of workplace safety in industrial environments. While operating heavy machinery, 2 workers were performing a routine inspection when a momentary lapse in situational awareness and poor coordination led to one worker becoming entangled in a rotating shaft. The incident unfolded so rapidly that his colleague could not intervene in time. To prevent such tragedies, strict adherence to lockout, tagout, LOTO protocols is essential. Machinery must be completely powered down before maintenance. Additionally, workers must wear proper attire, avoiding loose clothing or jewelry that can be caught in pinch points. Constant focus and clear communication between team members are mandatory, as safety must always come before speed. Never bypass guards or skip protocols for efficiency. Protecting lives is the top priority. The footage captures a critical safety lapse where a truck driver begins reversing without a spotter or a thorough check of his surroundings. Due to this oversight, the vehicle strikes an individual positioned in the driver's blind spot. Upon realizing the impact, the driver immediately stops and rushes to the back of the vehicle, visibly shaken and overwhelmed by the gravity of the situation. This serves as a sobering reminder of why strict safety protocols are non-negotiable. Whether operating a heavy commercial vehicle or a personal car, maintaining constant situational awareness is vital. To prevent such avoidable accidents, drivers should always perform a 360-degree walk-around, utilize a spotter whenever visibility is limited, and never assume a path is clear. Safety is a shared responsibility, and a few seconds of extra caution can prevent a lifetime of regret for everyone.